What is up, everybody? It is Drake here once again with DSF Financial, showing like-minded individuals the ATM business and how I'm making my money work for me through passive income. This right here is a little bit of a special video here. I have my first fan mail, which is crazy to me. Thank you guys for all the support you guys are giving me just on the channel. I'm very happy that I am actually helping people out, start businesses, and become a little bit more financially independent. If you guys haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button for me, hit that bell notification, give me a comment, a question, anything you guys want or would like to know. I'm more than happy to help out. So back to this fan mail I got. Yes, everybody, I got fan mail, my first piece of mail from one of the subscribers. And honestly, over the past, 6 months or so, I can actually call my friend now. I've never actually met this guy named Shawn with Precision ATM. He's out there in New Jersey making things happen with the ATM business. And honestly, I could not be happier. Way to go, Shawn. Now, Shawn hit me up about 6 months ago or so, give or take. Just asking a couple questions. He was very interested in the ATM business, and right away we kind of clicked. Come to find out, the Canon behind me actually a little bit represents my middle name. I used to be a DJ back in the day, and DJ Canon was my name. And lo and behold, Shawn used to be a DJ too, which is kind of crazy. Small world, great minds connect somehow or another. I've been helping him out with the whole process on getting the processing started, getting the business bank account, finding his locations. He has been filled with questions, and I personally have never minded helping him out. If I can help somebody out, get things going, get things started, I'm the one to do it. Even if it doesn't make me any money, if I can help somebody out, hopefully they can pay it forward. Hopefully they can get some positive things working in their life, and one person leads to another. And in the light of everything that's going on right now, maybe a couple positive things is what we need in life right now. Shout out to Shawn. Yes, he did. I'm going to cover up addresses and stuff, but he actually did go ahead and send me a letter. I did already open it. I was super excited about it. One thing I noticed when I was opening though, Shawn, very smart on your end. He has a stamp on the back, or a sticker rather, which advertises his company. He also puts that sticker on the ATMs, which kind of lets people know that it is an independently owned and operated ATM. And heck, if somebody needs an ATM, they might see that sticker and look him up online and be able to get another ATM installed somewhere else. So great advertising on that, Shawn. This did come all the way from New York. And when I opened it, it definitely made it to where these videos are worth it. It actually means something. And the first thing that pops up actually is a Starbucks gift card, which is awesome. You did not have to do that, Shawn, but I greatly appreciate it. The wife, Susie, will definitely enjoy it. In fact, my wife and her sister actually are getting coffee as we speak right now, as I'm making this video. So thank you so much for this. You didn't have to, Shawn, but I appreciate it. I'm just happy you enjoyed watching the videos, man. So this is a thank you card that he sent me as well, which does read, from Precision ATM LLC. He has another sticker there. He says, "Yo, D Drake," because he always calls me D. "Just had to throw this out there to you, as your mentorship and friendship has not been unnoticed. Not sure this is enough money, but please accept this as a small thank you. Hey, coffee is coffee," which is very true. This coffee will definitely make my household much happier. Maybe for a short time, but heck, happy is happy, right? Just like coffee is coffee. Your mentee, Shawn. I guess I kind of am his mentor, which is pretty cool to think about. Shawn is killing it out there in New Jersey. He now has 3 ATMs, and he's only started a couple months ago from the step one of deciding, yes, it was right for him. And he's got 3 ATMs, two of which are in barbershops there, as well as one pharmacy, which that pharmacy owner actually has other connections, which are going to lead into more businesses for Shawn to throw ATMs in, which is killer. I could not be more happy for you, Shawn. You're definitely an inspiration to me as well. I got to push my ATMs, and watching you and talking to you and your positivity as well with the ATM business motivates me as well. So thank you for that, Shawn. This fan mail is pretty darn cool. I would have never thought, I would affect somebody as much as I did. But thank you for that. For my ATM business, I also just got a new location. I just threw one of the ATMs that I purchased about a month ago. I threw one of those into another hotel. That hotel actually, so I installed it on Thursday. It is now Sunday morning. It's already done 7 transactions, so I'm not mad at that at all. For a slower type hotel, this hotel has been running a little slow because of COVID. I'll take those transactions. When things start picking up in the hotel industry, which I'm on the front line for, I can only imagine what type of numbers this ATM will be putting out. I've also got some other good news for you guys. I'm actually just starting to process and finish up this ATM course for you guys. I have done quite a few videos already. The editing process does take a little bit of time, as I want to be as truthful, upfront, and as detailed as I can be for this course for you guys. I'm looking to release it in the next month or two. So if you guys are interested, please let me know in the comments section. I'm curious to see who actually is interested in it. I may even pick some of you guys who are interested that let me know now. I might just give that course to you guys just to check it out and kind of beta test it. So something that I'm milling in my mind, which I think I'm leaning towards that. I've got to have some people that have been with me help me improve it as well. You guys watching right now all over the world, which is kind of crazy to think about as well. You guys are helping me along the way. So thank you for that. I am working on another location as well, another laundromat that's pretty close to my work right now. They do have close to 8 machines, I think, 7 or 8 machines, 8-liner machines, which does affect the ATM income, but it's also a coin-operated laundry, which is always good for ATMs as well. The 2 laundromats that I do have that I purchased, July 1st, I guess, has been cranking out the numbers. Sundays, we're getting 10 to 15 transactions a day, which is pretty cool. It's coming up on the 1st here in a couple days, so I got to make sure to get to those locations and get those filled up as well. That way, 1st of the month, a lot of people get paid and they start using those ATMs. So that's what I'm going to be working on the next couple days, as well as getting this course lined up for you guys. Please get excited for it. I'm pretty excited. If only one person can find this course useful, and I'm almost certain that somebody will, just because Shawn has been so successful without a physical course, but with me just helping him along, I think you guys are going to enjoy it and really be able to start this business, which is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I cannot stress that enough. But it is a great way to start your passive income growth. It's a way to become a little bit more financially independent for yourself and your family. It is Sunday for me, so I'm going to finish up with this video, edit it, and post it for you guys. And then I'm going to do some household chores that I have to get done. It is Sunday for me, so I've got to get the lawn mowed. I've got to get the pool cleaned. I've got to trim the edges, clean up the backyard a little bit because of a crazy rainstorm that we had last night. So I'm going to be a little bit busy, and most importantly, your future. And once again, guys, if you guys have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button for me. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, which also is kind of mind-boggling to me. I know I got to push out more videos for you guys. I'm working hard on that right now. Just this course, I've got to get this thing done. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification. Once again, if you have any questions, please leave comments. Add me on Instagram. And whatever day it is for you, enjoy it, but keep grinding just like it's Monday. Until next time, guys, later.